Hey guys, back to the channel again. I'm going to be showing you how to load your dishwasher. So as you can see, my mom already loaded some of it, but I'm going to finish it up so that way she doesn't have to do it, folks. Yeah, dishwashers save a lot of water. Just for you guys, those that don't know that, folks. Dishwashers save a lot of water, folks. So yeah, kind of rinse everything off like these. I always use hot water because hot water kills germs, folks. Kind of rinse it out like this. There's one. Ew, I don't like ketchup. Leave a comment below if you don't like condiments, folks. I don't like ketchup or mustard and stuff like that, folks. Kind of rinse it off like these. Make sure you put your knives and spoons upside down because you don't want to cut yourself, folks. Kind of load the dishwasher like these. Cups go on the top, folks. Some people put their cups on the bottom, folks. But it's easier for us to put it on the top, folks. Oh! I don't think we're gonna... Oh, actually, wait. Yeah. Can't fit that one, folks. Kind of fill the bottom up like these. After that, we can put the liquid stuff in there and start it up like these. Kind of fill your dishwasher up like these. Get your spoons and knives. Rinse this off like these. Try to rinse them off before you put them in the dishwasher, folks, like this. I'll use some soap in the inside of it, but I'll still put it in the dishwasher, folks. Don't use too much soap, folks. It's very concentrated, folks. Kind of wash the inside like this, and then after that we can put it in the dishwasher, folks. Alright, it's almost time to start the dishwasher up, folks. Keep loading your dishwasher until it's got enough stuff in there like this. Put your knife and spoon in like this. Make sure you put your knives upside down because you don't want to cut yourself, folks. Found some more spoons, folks, and forks. Kind of put it upside down, that way you don't stab yourself like this. Yeah, I'm cleaning it up, that way my mom doesn't have to do it, because I don't know where they've been all day. I've been home alone the whole entire day almost, folks. Kind of reload your dishwasher like this. Yeah, some people don't know how to clean up after themselves, folks. Yeah, my brother and sisters, they waste a lot of cereal every day. I stopped liking cereal though because I got scared to buy cereal because no one else likes Wheat Chex. Leave a comment below if you like Wheat Chex cereal, folks. Alright, the bottom part's all good, folks. Okay, now time to put the soap in like this. Actually, we might be able to put one more plate in there, folks. Alright, here we go, folks. Alright, let me dry my hands off so I can put the soap in there, folks. Turn the water off like this. I'll just dry my hands off with paper towels, folks. I hope we have the dishwasher liquid, folks. That would be really bad if we don't have it, folks. Oh, here it is, folks. Kind of fill it up like this. Kind of fill this part up like this. Alright, that's good, folks. Make sure you close this, folks. Make sure it's closed tight. Alright, you gotta, before you close it, ours is different, folks. Alright, you gotta hit normal. And then you gotta say emergency saber dry. And then you gotta hit start, folks. And then you gotta close it. Let's see if it comes on. Did it go? Let's try it again, folks. Hit the start like this. It takes a second, folks. Come on. Come on. Let's try it again. Normal. Emergency saber dry. Start. Let's see if that works, folks. Oh, there we go. That's how you lose your dishwasher. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my videos, guys. Bye!